Feroze, how are you looking at the entire precious metal, gamut, and how should one really expose themselves to precious metals within their portfolio? Gold is, hitting fresh highs. Silver is where it's at. Prices can't really be, one can really not catch these prices. So how should one really play into this rally? And how much of a portfolio composition should consist of precious metals now?
See, precious metals or any asset, firstly, you should have some basic filters in life of what will I buy with my hard-earned money. Any asset which has given you 10-year negative return in a high inflationary economy is never going to be an asset for me. Silver has done that. Okay. So
Hmm.
otherwise, you will always be buying it at the wrong time. Silver has, for 10 grinding years from 2011, if I remember right, it had touched some 77,000 rupees to a kg, and then it languished for 10 years. Agar India, mein, if you don't make money for 10 years, you have lost 60% of your value anyway. So silver, I don't even call it an asset because it has not passed this list. Gold is a very important asset for an Indian because Indians love gold and they love FDs. Anybody who's got FDs, he was better off in gold and significantly better off in gold. So if you love both assets, at least be in the better, the asset which reserves more love. If you don't have debt in your portfolio like we don't, I don't recommend to my clients gold because their portfolios for the last 11 years have delivered 15.5% on the overall asset, including their in every asset they have. So I don't have any regret of not having gold because the last 5 years IRR, if you chat GPT it, 1 year,
Hmm.
3 year, 5 year, you will get 5 years at 13.5. So if you are a debt investor, at least have half your debt in gold. Because what global transformation we are going through will create a reasonable, buoyant dollar gold environment for gold. So dollar gold had got stuck below $2,000 and that broke out. And that's the great news. And I think over the next 10 years, the kind of geopolitical situation has panned out and how countries are gobbling up gold in their treasuries, I would be reasonably bullish that it will beat debt hands down. And that's what any debt investor should put half his money in gold. In the form of sovereign gold bonds, we got a hand on the secondary market or even gold ETFs.